Another day finished at work. Oh, such a nice day outside. Might go for a walk. I can't really say good morning because it's 5 o'clock, so good afternoon. It's so bright. Why, son? Why? I'm just sitting here and I'm gonna be completely honest. The smell coming off me is horrendous. So I'm gonna jump in the shower. Because the weather was so nice, I say was, we've decided to come for a little walk to the beach. Picked up Imi, she's over there. So yeah, come for a little walk along the beach. It's quite nice when it's sunny weather, just to go for a little walk. We're both really hungry, so we need to get some food. I don't know how much you can hear me either because of the wind. But yeah, this is what the view's like. We really need to try and skim some stones or something. Ami's throwing rocks. Throw it as far as you can.
Okay. I am getting big ones though, so it's harder.
That was awful. The ferry's out at sea as well, look. It got me. Oh, it got on your face as well. That's better. Now I'm going to try and skim some stones.
Skills.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah! That worked. But I wish that we had a sandy beach, not a stony beach.
There is, if you look.
So yeah, there's sand underneath all that, but
See?
it's not nice sand.
Lovely sand. Tastes like sand.
Weird individual.
It's typical, isn't it? Just walking away from the sea and find the perfect skimming stone. So that means we've got to go back to the water and try again. It's quite hard to get us both in shot because, as I said yesterday,
He's so fucking cold. Oh, I saw.
yeah. It's right, every time you speak I blur it out anyway, don't I? So.
Oh, I haven't seen that vlog, so I don't know if you've done that or not.
Oh, I didn't do it, I forgot. From now on, you're not going to be able to hear her. It's just going to be just white noise.
What noise?
Shut up.
How pretty.
This is Imi's first attempt at skimming a stone. Let's do this.
Right. Can I go like that?
Yes.
Like. Oh no!
That was so bad.
I threw it.
That was awful. She
threw
threw it in the air. I said try and keep it level with the water.
I tried.
Right, well we've got absolutely freezing cold out here. Might be sunny, but it's freezing. So we are going to Nando's. Oh, chicken! So That was our little trip to the beach. I mean beach. She's a bitch. Yeah, now we're gonna go to Nando's. It's really annoying, the camera didn't record quite a lot of it. I've only just noticed, so yeah.
Can't do stuff twice.
We can't do stuff twice.
Because then it's not real.
Then it's acting, and that isn't real life. So.
Look at that stone, that's extra crap.
I don't think that's a stone, Emmy. It's a piece of metal. This is sand.
Sand, huh?
Sand, huh? And can you wet, huh? Beach, huh? Sea, huh? Emmy, huh? Let's walk back to the car. The car. Hey, Wallace. We're back from Nando's. That really took the wind out of me. In celebration of being back from Nando's, I'm going to beat Emmy with a slipper. Slipper cam.
Oh. Oh.
Slipper cam, slipper cam, slipper cam. What's something interesting I can talk about right now?
How we met.
I'm not going to talk about how we met because that's a horrendous story. Me and young Imogen are planning on going on holiday this year. We went last year, we went to Turkey and we got like a late deal and it was really, really good, like much better than we actually thought it was going to be. So I think we're going to go for that again. But Emmy hasn't actually saved up any money to go, so at the moment we're not going. Went to Marmaris last time and that's in the south of Turkey. And it was really good, but like the people who own the shops there are really weird. First of all, they don't understand basic English, and rather than going, would you like to come and look at my shop? They just go, yes please, yes please. And that doesn't make sense. What was it they kept saying to me? Ice creams, cold drinks, yes please.
Yeah, which doesn't make any sense.
Ice creams, cold drinks, yes please. Now that is a sales line. My mama texts me. What does she want again?
No. Oh. Ow. What's he doing? Help.
Kisses. No.
Kisses.
Well, we are going to go to bed because it's late and I'm tired. So, good night from moi.
Bye.
Good night from moi. Oh. And I shall see you again tomorrow. Again, it wasn't good enough.
It's fine.